Hi guys, let's talk about Hyderabad's best data science course. But before moving ahead, let's first understand what data science really is. Data science is the field of extracting meaningful insight and knowledge from structured and unstructured data using techniques from statistics, mathematics, and computer science. A data scientist cleans, analyzes, visualizes, and models data to help business make informed decisions. This involves working with tools like Python or SQL, data visualizing tools like Tableau or Power BI, and applying critical thinking to solve real business problems. The core skill in data science includes data cleaning, data analysis, statistical modeling, machine learning, and communicating findings effectively. It is one of the most in-demand skill set today because every industry, tech, finance, healthcare, e-commerce, and more is relying on data to drive decision growth and strategy. To all the basics and more, I have already mentioned the link to the best data science courses in the description box. Make sure you check it out. Now let me assure you that the demand for data science professionals is incredibly high and continues to grow not only in the local job market but also globally. Organizations worldwide are investing heavily in data teams, and skilled data scientists are among the highest paid roles today. So, if you are serious about learning data science, I have added a link to the best data science course available in your city in the description. Do check it out. I hope you found this video valuable. Please like, comment, and share. If you have any questions, ask in the comments. I will surely clear them for you.